Hello students, today we are going to learn operating system. Under operating system, today we are going to discuss Windows 10. As soon as you start your computer, the very first screen which is appearing on Windows 10 is asking the password. We call it as a signing in window. Now, as soon as you provide the password, the second screen which is appearing is known as a desktop. The screen which is appearing here is known as a desktop. As you can see, there is a background picture. This background picture is known as a wallpaper. You can change it as per your desired picture. These picture can be your picture. These picture can be downloaded from the internet. As per your wish, you can change it. The second part which is coming is these things. These are known as icons. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a system icon which stores all the deleted file. When you are clicking on here, you can see some of the deleted file. I can take it back by right clicking here and clicking on restore. That means if I have deleted a file, I can take it back. But if I have deleted these file, again by selecting this and by clicking on delete button, it is again asking me a confirmation. If I press yes, it will delete all the file from here permanently, and now I can't get these file back. This is known as this PC. You remember in older computer we are having my computer. Now here the name changed from my computer to this PC. Again, in the older version of Windows we are having Windows Internet Explorer, but the newer version Windows Explorer is converted into Windows Edge. Again, these are some other icons which we can put it as per our desired list. Then comes to the start button. Now, this start button can be opened by your mouse button, tapping on mouse button, or by clicking on the Windows key on the keyboard. Now, as soon as you click here, you'll see some of the things appeared on the screen. The very first thing, we call it as a power button. From here, we can start or shut down our computer. The second option is known as a setting. Same control panel in the older version. Now, this setting is used to change or manipulate the settings of the hardware and the software. Then we are having an option of picture, which is helping us to see the pictures. Then we are having the option of a document, where we can click and see the documents. Then we are having a small icon which is showing the user name, and if you are providing a picture, it will show that picture also. And on the above, if you are clicking here, it expands that section. In the second section, we are having numbers of softwares. Students, please remember one thing. After Windows 8, we won't call them as a software, we call them as a app, just like we are calling it in a mobile phones. So these are the apps, and from here we can open it by selecting and clicking on it. It opens that particular app. Now there are multiple apps, but in this app you can see a down arrow is there. This down arrows are explaining us that we are getting some more app under this Microsoft Office. Now, if I'm clicking on here, I can see that we are having digital certificate, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Clip Organizer, Excel, InfoPath, and many more are there. So you can see we are having many apps installed in this Windows 10. Then we are having the third section. Then we are having third section where multiple apps are putting it in one group. The first two, that is productivity and the Explorer, is being created by default from Windows 10, and the third section where I have put this PC and other thing I have to put is the group which I am creating. That means Windows 10 is also creating the groups, and user can also create groups for their convenience. We are having one option which you can let's say where it is, yeah, this is Windows Word, sorry, Microsoft Word. Now right click here and see that pin to start, more, then uninstall and other thing. Now what is pin to start? If I am clicking on pin to start, see what happened. It will come to this part. That means it is telling us that you can pin it here, just like we are pinning it in a notice board. Now you can change the size of these icons. For example, right click, resize, small. Fine. Now again resize. Here we are having 4 options, but here we are having only 2 options. So depends on the app, it is showing us the options. Fine. Now again I am clicking on start button. Now this part is known as a taskbar. This is search option. Here we can search any of the software and open it. For example, I want to open Excel, EXCEL. Now you can see that I am having Excel and I can click here and open it, or I just press enter key and Excel is opening. Now these are the ways which you can open your software in very fast manner. Then we are having an option named as task view. Now clicking on here, it is showing that the task which is currently working on Windows. Currently I am having 2 tasks, that is Explorer is open and Facebook is open in that, and in File Explorer a window is open. Now again I have clicked on it and it is closed. Then we are having Microsoft Edge, Windows, that is File Explorer. In other older version we call it as Windows Explorer, Windows File Explorer. This File Explorer is showing the folders, drives, files. Now this is having 3 sections. This left hand, in the left hand side it is showing the folders and the drive names. In the second part, this is the part which is being selected. For example, if I have selected on desktop, it is showing this part. And the third part is showing the recent file which I have visited in my computer. Now, if I want to see the details of my computer, I'll go to this PC. Now, if I'm clicking on my PC, that is this PC, it is showing, again it is having three parts. It is showing some quick access of the folders, then this part, then this part. This is also a quick access part. Then it is showing the drives which I have currently in my computer. It will also show the pen drive if it is connected here. Now, the drives having two colors, that is a blue color and some light black color. Now, this blue color shows that this much part of a hard disk is full in C drive, and the off-white, which is here, it is showing that this part is empty. It is telling us 90.3 GB free of 119 GB. That means I can have a quick look that how much my hard disk is being full of C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, or the pen drive if I have connected to my computer. I can have multiple views from here. For example, document, I can have downloads option, I can have desktop, whatever I'm having desktop, I'm getting here videos, softwares, downloads which I have used it, pictures, let's say if I don't have any pictures here. So this is the Windows Explorer from where we can go directly to some drive or some folder to see the files. Explorer, Windows File Explorer. This is store, that is Microsoft has provided a store from where you can store, that is download your favorite apps, favorite games and many more things. It's just like a Google Play Store. Then we are having Firefox, which is showing Facebook is open. Now we are having some, we call it as a system tray. Here microphone is opened, it is showing the battery, it is showing the Wi-Fi, it is showing the speaker, it is showing the system date and time, and it is showing the notification. Please remember that computer doesn't understand things. These date and time doesn't mean that it is a correct date and time. So you have to check that this date and time is correct or not. Now, then we will be coming to one of the finest section of Windows 10 we call as Cortana. Now this is Cortana. I'm sure you have heard about the Alexa speakers, where we have to give the command to the speaker and speaker reacts as per that commands. Here we are having Cortana. Now click on this and
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk. I need your permission to help.
When you click on Cortana, it will be asking you these things, and by clicking on share, they'll be providing you some basic training, and then you can work with your computer by just speaking up the commands. You don't have to use your mouse, keyboard and nothing. Just speak up and your computer reacts on it. So Windows 10 is equipped with that also. Now when you have done all the things, now you want to close this computer, you just come to start button, go to power option and click on shutdown. As soon as you click on shutdown, your Windows 10 will start shutting down all the apps, and then it will close the Windows 10 operating system. Now I hope that Windows operating system, that is Windows 10, is understandable for you now. Now this was the basic part of operating system, that is Windows 10, and I'm sure that you have got some important information from this tutorial. I hope it will be helpful for your future use of Windows 10. If you are having any doubt, any problem, do comment me. Thank you.